and Zeddy are going back to Dynamic Auto Styling to check up on the car and help them out a little bit. They cannot get my fuel door open, and I can understand why, because it's not a fuel door anymore. It's just literally there for a cap to cover a hole so you can't see into the trunk of my car. So I'm gonna go help them out with that. It is so hot today. Honestly, I just wanted an excuse to go take a look at the car. Apparently it's halfway wrapped. I did get a sneak peek of it yesterday, and it's looking sweet. Can't wait to go check it out, but I can't wait until it's done, until I get it back into my possession. That'll be cool. My dog is loving the AC in the new truck. The other one didn't have it. It is so hot outside today. There's not much going on. Zeddy's opening her own window. She loves doing that. Zeddy, put the window up. Put the window up. Get down. Zeddy. Look, she puts the window down. It's crazy. It's craziness. I also forgot to add that I got my truck tuned. I got it tuned for fuel economy, and it's doing the job. Right now I've got 492.2 on a full tank, and I've got over a quarter left, and I'm pretty happy with that. I have all the vents pointed at my dog because it's so hot, and she's loving it. She just sits there and gets brushed by the cold air. Pulling into Dynamic Auto Style. The whips though. We've got nice whips. It's pretty damn low. Pretty damn. Alright, let's go check out the car. GoPro picked up the wrap, color's so sick. I know it's different. I know it's purple. See?